Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This is a very soft cut crease and you're going to watch me go from a 0 to a literal 10. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by removing my makeup with the Equate makeup remover, and I'm just going to take off my mascara and my eyebrows because I'm not really wearing anything else. And I'm also not going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows in this video because I have a whole dedicated video to that. So my eyebrows are already done prior to this video. So I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow today because I am going to be using glitter, so it will get everywhere. So I want to do my foundation last. This is the e.l.f. Complete Coverage Concealer Palette, and it has so many tones for color correcting, so it's perfect for priming your eyelids if you have lots of discoloration. So I'm going to be using this yellow tone concealer to color correct the blueness that's on my eyelids. Then I'm going to be taking my BH Studio Pro powder to set that, and I've recently been loving this powder and it's super affordable. For my eyeshadow today, I switched between many different palettes, but I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Modern Neutrals palette, and I'm going to be taking this really pink shade and putting that in my crease as a transition shade. And I'm taking that on a black fluffy blending brush, and all of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. Then I'm going to be taking a more dense angled brush to apply a more pink shade in the crease. Then I'm switching to my BH Cosmetics Marble Collection palette in Warm Stone, and I'm taking this dark pink shade in my crease. For my cut crease today, I'm using the BH Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer to clean up the line and make it more of a cut crease. I'm honestly not the best at cut creases, but using a flat brush to really define the edges helps. And this is a full cut crease, so I'm going to be winging it out all the way. So for my glitter primer today, I'm using the e.l.f. glitter primer, and I've never really used this one before, so it's like kind of a first impressions, but I've heard good reviews about it. And it also worked really good for the glitter I was using, and it was only like $2 or something, so that was really good. So for my glitters today, I had 4 to choose from. I'm using the NYX glitters, and I honestly could not decide which color, and I narrowed it down to the silver and the pink. I ended up going with the silver just because I feel like it would go with more, even though the pink is more Valentine's Day. Also, I'm using the Liner Designer by Beauty Blender to make sure all the glitter doesn't get all over my face because it is messy. Also, I'm using a really dense pointy brush for this because it just would help with a more precise application. So this next part is optional if you like the way it looks already, but I decided to go in with some concealer to really clean up and define the line between the glitter and the eyeshadow. Next, I wanted to do a winged liner, and I feel like liquid liner is the best for this just because it's easiest for me, but if you like a felt tip or a gel liner, you can obviously switch it out. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner, and this glides on really nicely, and it's really jet black. It helps create that really precise application and get a nice sharp wing. Then I'm taking makeup remover and just removing any glitter that fell under my eyes that the Beauty Blender thing did not catch. For my foundation today, I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 Hours foundation, and this is a great foundation. I was really deciding between the BH Studio Pro foundation, but I feel like that one's a little bit too white for me right now, so I had to go for the Rimmel. Also for my primer, I use the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist, and I forgot to show that. But for my concealer, I'm using the BH Studio Pro Concealer. This shade looks so yellow toned on camera, but I promise it looked normal in real life. I don't know why it showed up like that. For my contour and my highlight today, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that this is my all-time favorite palette. It's the Profusion Chocolate Bar palette, and the highlights in this is amazing, and the contour is also, and it's like $3 or something. Then I'm using a fluffy brush to contour, and there's only one shade in this palette, which is the only downfall, but it is really pigmented, so I like to tap off my brush a lot. The highlight shade is honestly the same way. It has a lot of fallout, but I honestly don't mind because it is super pigmented and it gives you that super blinding highlight. Then I'm applying these number 57 lashes with my Kish Strip Eyelash Glue. I have a whole video dedicated to how I apply my eyelashes and what eyelashes these are if you're interested. Then for my mascara to blend in my false lashes and for my bottom lashes, I'm using the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. I honestly love this mascara. The wand is perfect for my lower lashes, and it does a really nice job of blending together my falsies with my real eyelashes. For my brow bone and my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking that same chocolate bar palette, and I'm going to be going in with that same highlight shade and applying that on my brow bone and my inner corner for a highlight. For my lips today, I know this is an all drugstore look, but I had a really perfect lip color in mind that I could have used. It's the Dose of Colors, but it's not really that expensive anyway, and I do have a dupe. This is the Maybelline Color Jolt in the color 05 Stripped Down, but I did want to go for a liquid lipstick instead, so I did end up using it anyway, but the Maybelline Color Jolt is a nice option as well. So this is the finished makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you would like to see me do more makeup tutorials in the future, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on all of my post notifications. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys!